In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Roth IRA using Charles Schwab. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your device and open up any web browser. For this video, I'm using Google Chrome. You could do this both on a desktop or on a mobile device. I personally recommend doing this on a desktop if you're able to, just because it's a little bit easier to see everything. But anyways, I'm going to open up Google Chrome like I normally would. Okay, then from here, please go to the search bar and look up Roth IRA Charles Schwab. Make sure you spell Charles Schwab correctly because obviously it's a little bit hard to spell. But anyways, once you type this in, press on enter just like so. Now, you're then going to get a bunch of results that look like this, and you'll notice that on the top here, we're going to have a section called sponsored results. And what I recommend that you guys do is actually skip the sponsored results because the sponsored results are there from companies who pay to be there. So if you want to get the real results, then just scroll past sponsored results and also scroll past AI overview. And then over here, you're then going to see the official Charles Schwab website where you're able to create a Roth IRA. From here, please go ahead and select on Roth IRA just like so. And then from here, it is going to provide you with more information about the Roth IRA itself and stuff like that. So anyways, you're then going to see this button that says open a Roth IRA, and you want to begin by pressing it just like so. It is then going to bring you to a page that looks like this that will basically walk you through the entire process. So over here, it's going to give you more information about the Roth IRA itself. So what's really cool is that there is $0 monthly service fees and a $0 account minimum. Over here is also going to let you know what you need in order to open up the Roth IRA. So you're going to need a social security number, your employer's name and mailing address, if applicable, and your birth dates for people who you want to inherit your IRA assets, basically your beneficiaries. So you guys also have the option to enter a referral code if you want to. I do not have one because I just want to be as transparent as possible throughout this entire process. So guys, make sure to leave a like if you found this video helpful because I do not have a code. But anyways, you just want to press on get started just like so. Now, from here, you're going to have to go ahead and begin inputting your information. You will need to input your social security number, your date of birth. You need to be a citizen. And then afterwards, in this regulation tab, it's going to give you more information about the account itself. Then it's going to let you know their features. Then you're able to go ahead and review it. And then afterwards, you need to agree to their terms of service. All right, then after you do that, it is going to prompt you to link your bank account to Charles Schwab. And the reason why we need to do that is because Charles Schwab is going to fund your investments that you do inside the Roth IRA using the bank account you connected. So the thing about a Roth IRA is that it doesn't automatically invest for you. You need to pick what assets to invest in. And this is not financial advice, but what I personally do on my Roth IRA is I invest in the S&P 500, other ETFs, index funds, etc. So once you link your bank account to Charles Schwab is able to use the money from your bank account in order to fund investments. So Charles Schwab is definitely a really good option. And if at any point in time you realize that this is a little bit too intimidating, do not worry. They also do have a hotline that you're able to call. So you're able to call the Charles Schwab customer support, and they can also walk you through the entire process step by step. Make sure to take time with this because obviously this is really important. It is an investment. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.